Today we look at the beans. Beans me up skirty. Already I am saying I do not want to open these with this. I would prefer to ring the pool. I will be examining the beans on these factors. Affordability, ease of access, we have seen already this is a complete disaster. The appearance, the smell, the consistency, the texture, the taste, and the longevity. So we'll be looking at that today. All these sauces are tomato sauce, so it should not be too difficult. It is very, very important that I cleanse my palate, so I do not interfere with the flavors. Cleaning the spoon, so there's no cross infection. And these are the 5 beans that have passed the taste test. This one is disgusting. Do not eat this one. Do not buy it, do not look at it, do not bring it home. And also this one here is also disgusting. So do not buy, do not eat these ones. But these are beautiful ones here. I have rinsed these beans and examined them very closely. And I found that the Irish bean is a far superior bean. It is the time now to examine the out of the bag bean, the bean itself. The Anne's beans, the Newgate beans, the essential retros, the Morrison's baked bean, the Asda baked beans, but also I am bringing in this one, the Wern Stirp. It is a good bean. 6 beans we will be testing now. They did not pass the initial test. Goodbye. Au revoir. Au revoir. Let us begin. We must take the beans and cleanse, rinse the beans, dry the bean, place the bean. And there are the 2 beans from the Wern Stirp. We shall measure them. We measure this bean. And now for the tasting of the beans. It is an Irish bean, I think. And now to cleanse the palate. And let us continue. We shall now remove 1 more bean. We shall rinse that bean. We shall place it here. And now we shall do the compression test. We shall now compress this bean. This is very interesting. Let us try something a little bit more stringent. Yes, that's very interesting. I might have a break in the plate. We are moving on now to the blind taste test, the next phase of our investigation of the beans. So I will be using the blindfold and I'll be putting it here so I cannot see, and I will be testing these last 6 finalists. I've also done a long-term longevity test on the beans as well, and I will show you my results right now. My advice to you is do not leave the beans for more than 1 week. Do not do it. We're in a week and we have cultures. We have cultures on the sides. We have some growths inside there. So do not keep your beans. Once you open the beans, you eat the beans, you throw the beans away. I shall now blindfold myself, so I cannot see at all. I will blind myself. I cannot see. I have these flaps here to help the blindness, and I cannot see. I shall mix these up, so I do not know which is which. Let us begin. We shall test the first one. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Very nice, very nice. And number one. Yes. Oui. Number one. And where is number one? So put the number one over here, out of the way. And now I must cleanse the palate. Where's my water? Here's my dish. Where's my dish? I must cleanse the palate. Thank you. Number 2 is not as good as number 1. I like this one. It is as good as a number 2. 3 as good as a number 2. Very nice. Very nice. Number 1. I like this one very much as the other one. This is a tie for the first place. It is a very close, very close. I do not think I have a clear winner. I'm not sure. I think this one is also good. So I have 3 that are on par with each other, and I have 3 that I could move to second place. But 3, these ones here, 3, these are the ones. These are the ones that I recommend. At last we have come to the end of our testing, and we have found these 3 here as the best beans in the United Kingdom. So this is £1 to £1.40. This one is, if we look here, it is a 50p, and this one is a 55p. So you may think that you could buy 3 of these for one of these. So this is a consideration. Perhaps this is a bit too expensive because these are comparable. This one perhaps is too expensive. And as a consideration is that all 3 of these come with ring pulls. I do not like opening the can. It was a disaster. So the ring pull, equal. These are Irish beans. These are Bradford beans from Pakistan. These are just the United Kingdom beans. They do not specify where they come from. So after looking at this thing, I would not recommend this one as it is too expensive, which brings us to these 2. If you are going to eat beans in this country, you would eat this one or this one. This is my professional opinion for you. I've done a lot of work and a lot of research, and these are the ones. This one and this one as for you. Thank you for watching Chef Gregory on his Batchelor Cooking Show. I hope to see you again very soon. Goodbye, and thanks for watching. Mon Dieu!